Good morning, vlog. It is
Good morning,
time
customers.
to...
We'll be arriving in approximately 10 minutes time.
Good morning, vlog. It is approximately 7 a.m. We are in Proserpine, Australia, about to, at a train station, about to get on a 8-hour train to Cairns. So we're going north, up the east coast. We'll get in hopefully around dinner time, which will be good because we'll be hungry. We do have lots of snacks and some breakfast and lunch items to hold us over because we looked online and the train cafe menu is quite sad. We only had a day in Proserpine, mostly chilled out at our hotel, walked around a bit. Sent some postcards. Got lost on the way to the museum. Yep, did not go to the museum. We abandoned that one. Yes. Yeah, in Cairns, we have a couple tours. We'll be going snorkeling and seeing the Great Barrier Reef, and then also going to the Daintree Rainforest. So, should be a good time. Stay tuned, vlog.
I'm leaving home.
Hey vlog, welcome back. We made it to Cairns. We made it to our hostel. We're at Gilligan's. It is probably the largest hostel I've ever stayed at, and Nina's, I think, first real hostel. So it's quite a funny experience. There's a pool with lights. This is our balcony. I've never had a hostel with a balcony, but always new experiences. Yeah, our train was about 10 hours. We dropped off our bags, went and got some dinner and some groceries. Tomorrow we have our day in Cairns. And then I think I already mentioned we have a couple tours. So should be a good weekend. Nina, do you have anything to add?
I finished one book on the train.
You excited to shower and sleep?
So excited to shower and sleep.
Personally, I'm excited to eat. Oh, lighting, beautiful. I'm excited to eat my Tim Tams. So.
For the coastline, someplace under the sun, I feel my heart for the first time. 'Cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean. Our hearts will move with the tide. And we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place
Hey vlog. There's so many little frogs everywhere. We're trying not to step on them.
I'm moving far away.
Okay vlog. We got Zambrero, which is the largest Mexican chain in Australia. We both got burritos. Nina?
We both got the same thing. I just got verde sauce as well on mine. So,
First bite, let's see it. Oh! Does it taste like a burrito?
I got mostly rice, so.
Okay, I'm gonna take a couple bites and we'll get back to y'all. What do you think?
I would say maybe like 7 out of 10. Compared to the distance it is from like actual Mexican food, I will give it credit where it's due. But you know, Qdoba and Chipotle still do it better.
I would do maybe 6.5. The rice is very soft. Kind of mushy. The beans could have some more flavor. The other toppings are good. They have a good sauce selection. But yeah, I just wish the rice and beans were better. And we are vegetarian, so that's like our protein as well. So maybe their other proteins are better.
They had a pulled mushroom, but
Oh, you got mushroom?
no, I said they had a pulled mushroom, but
Oh, they have mushroom. I don't eat mushroom though. So yeah, not terrible. There is another Mexican chain called Guzman. Hopefully we'll try that again. So, peace out vlog.
To a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
So in that way, folks, that's why we do that ceremony before we walk inside, even if we're just going for a walk, or even if we're crafting our shields or spears from one of the trees that are sacred inside this area. Anything we touch or grab from the rainforest, we make sure we check in first. And that's what we do with that ceremony here. That gives
Hey vlog, welcome back. Quick update. The GoPro is probably dead. Yeah. We were having some issues with the GoPro after snorkeling last week in the Whitsundays. Did some research, and apparently salt water is pretty corrosive. We were able to get it working again, but we took it snorkeling again yesterday to the Great Barrier Reef tour, and it just stopped functioning. So yeah, upsetty spaghettis. We'll probably just have to get a new one. So for now, I'm on my phone. So if it looks weird, that's why. The Great Barrier Reef tour was gorgeous. We saw lots of fish, a sea turtle, which was pretty amazing. We were with it for probably a minute or two. And then had another snorkeling site after some lunch. Then we went to the night markets for some dinner. Got some noodles, some banh mi, a churro. Nina got some mango ice cream. Pretty good day. Today we are at the Daintree National Forest. It is the oldest rainforest in the world, and currently at Mossman Gorge. We had a brief introduction with one of the indigenous tribes, one of the medicinal leaders, who kind of walked us through some of their culture, which was really cool. And yeah, after the Mossman Gorge, we're going to go on a crocodile river cruise, which should also be pretty cool. So yeah, I'll keep you updated, vlog.
Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see love unfold. Two hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. They say